Hi, this is the latest recipe from kurumicooks. It's Nikujaga, Japanese simmered beef and potatoes. I hope you try it. You will need 60 grams of prepared green beans. Remove the end of the beans. Then cut into thirds like this. Remove the skin and ends of the onion. Cut in half. Then slice like this. Peel the potatoes and cut them in half. Then cut into bite-sized chunks. Peel and remove the ends of the carrot. Then cut into small pieces diagonally like this. You will also need 200 grams of beef feather blade. Feather blade is a very thin cut of beef from the shoulder. You can buy this in many Asian food stores. Pour 250 ml of water into a large frying pan. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of mirin. Turn on the heat and add the potatoes and carrots. And the onions. Bring to the boil and simmer for about 15 minutes with a lid on. When the time is up, taste the vegetables with a skewer. If the veg is still too firm, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the green beans, and the beef. Spread the beef around the pan so that it cooks evenly. Simmer about 3 to 4 minutes with a lid on. Take the lid off and check if the beef is cooked. Plate up and serve with Japanese white rice. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.